Your lease agreement matters. It is important to be aware of changes to real estate property law and contract law. Perhaps what is more valuable is to have a lease reviewed by a lawyer who specializes in landlord-tenant law. Our management professionals always make use of a carefully worded Southwest Florida lease agreement that has been reviewed by an attorney. Recently, major changes have been made to landlord-tenant law in places like California, Wisconsin, and other parts of the country, which has social media all abuzz. In an effort to equalize the position of property owners and their tenants, landlord-tenant law is constantly evolving, and landlord rights and responsibilities in Southwest Florida, as well as elsewhere in the country, are constantly changing. For instance, prior to March of 2015, landlords in Wisconsin were obligated to make arrangements for storage of any personal property that belonged to an evicted tenant. To fulfill such an obligation, landlords in that area needed to notify the sheriff's department, hire a bonded mover, and give notice to the evicted tenant. The revised law now allows a landlord to presume that the property has been left behind and to deem it abandoned. There are exceptions to the rule, of course, and this is just one example of how real estate law can and has evolved in places around the country. The lessons that we can take from trending news topics like those out of Wisconsin make it clear that your property manager's role goes way beyond simply filling unoccupied space. At All County Medallion Property Management, we can proudly say that our expertise in tenant placement, lease execution, and lease enforcement will help to protect you and your property investments for years to come. In order to stay ahead of the constantly changing rules, we regularly update our Southwest Florida lease agreement. A well-written lease allows all of us to enforce lease requirements, and in the case of an escalated issue, a well-written lease could mean the difference between winning or losing a court case. However, the best scenario is to stay out of court altogether. Our leases are well written and tenants' responsibilities clearly defined. Southwest Florida property owners can entrust All County Medallion to safeguard your property investment and to allow you peace of mind. Thanks for watching. I'm Sean Kelly, allcountymedallion.com.